In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablets on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. SPASEEBA T605 Graphics Tablet. The SPASEEBA T605 Graphics Tablet is an innovative tool designed for artists and gamers, combining high precision with portability. With an ultra-thin design of just 5mm and a lightweight build, it easily fits into a backpack, making it ideal for travel. The tablet features 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, a 5080 LPI resolution, and a remarkable 330 pps report rate, ensuring detailed and responsive performance for drawing, painting, and gaming, particularly for rhythm games like OSU. It supports various operating systems, including Windows, Mac, and Android, and does not require driver installation on mobile devices. Additionally, the tablet includes 6 customizable express keys to enhance workflow efficiency. Compatible with well-known drawing software such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and Corel Painter, it facilitates a seamless creative process. The battery-free stylus ensures continuous use without interruptions, making the SPASEEBA T605 a vital asset for anyone looking to elevate their creative or gaming experience. Number 2. GAOMON S620 Tablet. The GAOMON S620 is a compact graphics drawing tablet designed for digital artists, students, and professionals, featuring an impressive 8192 levels of pen pressure sensitivity and a high-resolution screen of 3840 by 2160. With a small working area of 6.5 by 4 inches, it provides a portable solution for digital painting, handwriting, and various design tasks. The tablet boasts 4 customizable express keys for enhanced workflow efficiency and employs a battery-free, environmentally friendly stylus that utilizes advanced passive electromagnetic resonance technology. It is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and select Android devices, supporting a range of popular creative software such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and more. The tablet's design includes anti-slip features for stability during use and a micro USB connection for fast data transmission. With a 1-year warranty, the GAOMON S620 is presented as a reliable tool for artists seeking both convenience and capabilities in their digital work. Number 3. VEIKK A15 Pro. The VEIKK A15 Pro graphic tablet is an advanced digital drawing tool featuring a 10.1-inch diagonal screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080, offering a spacious 10 by 6-inch active area for creative work. Designed for artists and professionals alike, it boasts 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a 290 pps reporting rate, providing a natural and responsive drawing experience using its battery-free passive pen. The tablet features a quick dial and 12 customizable shortcut keys, enhancing productivity and allowing users to tailor their workflow. It is compatible with major operating systems, including Windows, Mac, and Android, and supports a variety of design software like Photoshop and Illustrator. With a lightweight build of only 9mm thickness and an assortment of included accessories, the A15 Pro serves as an ideal tool for artists, educators, and remote workers. It comes with a 1-year warranty and a flexible return policy, ensuring customer satisfaction and support. Number 4. GAOMON PD1161 Tablet. The GAOMON PD1161 is an 11.6-inch IPS Full HD digital pen tablet monitor designed for artists and creative professionals. With a resolution of 1920 by 1080 and a pressure sensitivity of 8192 levels, it offers precise and natural line creation, thanks to its battery-free pen technology that enhances comfort during extended use. The lightweight tablet, weighing just 866 grams, includes 8 customizable shortcut keys to streamline workflows and is compatible with various art software, making it ideal for drawing, photo editing, and animation. It features versatile connectivity options, including mini HDMI and Type-C ports, and supports both Windows 7 or later and macOS 10.12 or later. The device also facilitates direct drawing and annotation on documents, enhancing productivity in professional environments. Included in the package are the tablet, a stylus, a power adapter, and a quick start guide, ensuring users have everything they need to get started. With a commitment to quality and innovation, GAOMON Technology Corporation is positioned to expand its presence in the international market for digital art tools. Number 5. Huion HS64 Graphics Tablet. The Huion HS64 is a highly portable and versatile graphics tablet ideal for artists and designers, featuring a slim profile at just 8mm thick for easy transportation. It supports a wide range of operating systems, including Windows 7 or later, macOS 10.12 or later, and Android 6.0 or later, making it compatible with various devices. The tablet offers two working area modes, 6.3 by 4 inches for PC mode and 4.02 by 2.5 inches for mobile mode, providing flexibility for different workflows. It boasts an impressive 8,192 pressure levels with battery-free electromagnetic resonance pen technology, allowing users to experience natural and precise drawing while eliminating the need for battery replacements. With a report rate of 266 pps, it ensures smooth line rendering, enhancing the drawing experience. Additionally, the HS64 comes equipped with 4 customizable express keys to streamline tasks and improve efficiency, making it a practical choice for creative professionals and hobbyists alike.